Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Digite, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Expedia Credit. So first of all, launch Expedia application on your mobile device. Now let's wait for some time until the app is loading. Now, once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now, one thing you have to note down is that you will receive credits on Expedia once you cancel your flights. So, those credits will be stored on your account so that you can use those credits in order to purchase for future flights. So, in order to check your credits, tap on the option of account at the bottom right corner of your screen. With that, you'll come to this page. Now, simply scroll down below and you'll see the option of credits. Tap on it. Now, once you come here, you'll see the tip that says use your airline credit before the expiration date. Now, in my case, you can see that I do not have any active airline credits in my account currently. However, if you haven't received any email regarding your credit from Expedia and you cannot see that in your account, you can contact the customer support of Expedia in order to get the credit for your future flights. So this is it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.